Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2015 Hot Wheels. Today we have Hot Wheels Off-Road, the Skyknife. And this is a helicopter. Number 94 of 250 on the year. From the Sky Show series. Hot Wheels Off-Road Sky Show. Copyright is 2013. The car is actually 2015. In this case, helicopter. So let's get this helicopter out of the package and see how cool it is. Don't mind the sounds of the outside. We have dogs and trucks and everything happening out here right now. It's been an active day. This only has two wheels. One on this side and one on this side. This wheel right in the front is fake, and it is plastic, all plastic bottom, and the red is your metal. And this, it does spin, but it hits this on the way by. So if you can hear that, listen. Oh, you do it fast enough, it won't. But as it slows down, all right, ready? I knew it was going to happen eventually. All right, let's see if it actually rolls on the table. It's got two back wheels and a fake front wheel. It gives me a fake roll. Those back wheels keep it going a little bit further than it would, I think. Not bad. How do I do both? I got to roll it by me, and on the way by, hit the propeller. Hey, I did it. Sweet. Did not think I'd be able to do that. All right, it does fit on the track, but these things right here, you can see are a little bit wider than the wheels, and that gives it right to the rim of either side, making it a little, just a tiny bit too big. So I don't think I'm going to be able to roll it. Yeah, it's just going to crash. Ooh. Not really a real roll. That was like a forced slide. Whoa, drifting's kind of fun. Watch the propeller. The propeller stays. Woohoo! Ooh. I want to do something cool, but I don't know what to do. All right, does it fly? Of course not. Don't throw it, Tim. Don't throw it. Come on. Right there. Ready? 1, 2. Wait. I gotta go in really good. Ready? Ooh. The Skyknife. 2015. Helicopters, Hot Wheels. And thank you all for watching. Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And until next time. Wait a minute, what just happened? There it is. Up. Till next time. T10 out. Hear that helicopter above? Perfect.